welcome back to my channel, Shelly's Millions. In today's unemployment update, I might actually have a good tip for getting through to the California EDD. Notice I didn't say for calling the California EDD, although I do have a tip on a better time to call that might work for you. I'll share that at the end. Please take a moment and like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share the video with anyone who might find it useful. I really appreciate it. I'm actually starting to get a lot of reports from people that used the contact tab from their UI Online homepage to contact the EDD. So I'm going to screenshot it. In the upper right hand corner, there's going to be a contact button. You'll click that. From there, it's question type. You're going to choose payments, and then I think it's where is my payment is what you want to type. That allows the box to come up so that you can type a question, and you'll just say something like, I'm still seeing the reopen claim button on my UI Online homepage, and that's delaying my payments. Is there anything you can do to help? Something along those lines, or whatever your issue is. I am being told that people are getting a response by doing that in about 48 hours. Maybe since Monday's a holiday, maybe give it 72 hours because those EDD phone lines are going to be closed tomorrow. But if you were waiting, but you don't really want to wait, but you don't want to tie up the phone lines, using that contact button and sending them a message about what's going on with your claim might finally be a good way to get through to the California EDD. And if you do still want to try calling, that is still fastest if you get a hold of the right representative that can help you with your claim. I'm now hearing, and this is the time that I got through when I called as well, that a lot of people are getting through about 1 to 1:30, and that might be because they have a lot of reps coming back from their lunch break at that time. I'm not really sure why it is that people are getting through at that time, but I am hearing reports that about 1 to 1:30 is a good time. Then the other time that seems to be a sweet spot for calling does seem to be between 4 and 6 p.m. Again, those numbers, if you want to call, are 1-800-300-5616 or 833-978-2511. Leave me a comment down below if you have tried to reach out to the California EDD by using the contact us and sending them a message. Let me know if that works for you guys. Let me know what times have worked for you guys to get through to the California EDD. I'm so sorry that we're still dealing with this. A lot of people even had the reopen claim button disappear and it popped back up today. The EDD has said that they're working on resolving all those issues, but it could still take until January 22nd to get all of that resolved. And I know a lot of you are looking for answers faster than that. All right, guys, I hope this helped. Thank you guys so much for watching Shelly's Millions. I'll see you next time.